I've had the wonderful opportunity over the last few weeks to volunteer as a culinary instructor for a class called Cooking Matters. Cooking Matters is a national program that teaches adults and kids how to cook healthier meals at home and how to make better choices within their budget when shopping at the grocery store. Our class is also connected to a great organization here in Pittsburgh called 412 Food Rescue, which helps to combat food waste. One of the last recipes is black bean brownies. I thought it sounded super interesting and I'm excited to share it with you. So let's get cooking. This recipe calls for a 15-ounce can of low or no sodium black beans, 3 large eggs, a half cup of brown sugar lightly packed, some cocoa, vanilla, a little canola oil, and if you like, some extra chocolate chips. All right, we've added our 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of canola oil, and a teaspoon of vanilla to a large bowl. And to that mixture, we're gonna add our beans, which have been rinsed and drained. And then with a fork or a potato masher, we're gonna start to mash the beans up until we really cannot see the beans any longer. All right, now it's been a few minutes and I'm not really seeing any of those whole beans anymore. We're gonna add the rest of our ingredients, which would be our half cup of lightly packed brown sugar, all in, half a cup of cocoa powder, and a half cup of chocolate chips as well, all in. We're gonna give that a little stir together with a spatula, just to make sure it's all incorporated nicely. And then straight into our baking dish, into our oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Looks nice and incredibly chocolatey. Get it all into our baking dish. Straight into the oven now for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, our brownies have been out of the oven for a couple of hours. They've cooled completely. Now we're gonna dig in. They feel really good and they cook the whole way through. Nice and dense. So I love the look of those chocolate chips. They're dark, they're fudgy, they're so interesting. I hope you try this recipe at home for black bean brownies, and I hope you enjoy.